Well, today we just did an oil change on a 2015 Ford Focus, and we're going to reset the oil on the dash. So you turn the key on just forward, don't start it, and you'll see it's going to say, got some messages, oil change required. So we're going to reset that. And what we have to do is put your foot on the gas pedal, push it all the way down, and put your foot on the brake. And we'll hold it down here about 20 seconds. Service oil reset in progress. Well, there we go. Oil reset complete. Take your foot off the gas and brake, and we're good to go until next oil change. There you have it. Hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project.